Hi, fourth graders. Another part of your language arts today is to be reading El Deafo. Everybody should have gotten this class novel in their book box. And here are your directions. Because we still haven't finished the 6 through 8, I think we just have chapter 8 left. Your first job is going to be reading chapter 8. So that starts on page 85. So chapter 8 starts on page 85. I want you to go ahead and read through chapter 8. You maybe meet some new friends. Cece does some things, and then it goes all the way until page 101. This is the last page. Don't read on in chapter 9. We're going to do that next week. For now, just read chapter 8. Okay, once you read chapter 8, today you're only going to do one page in your packet. On Thursday, you guys are going to do more. So the one page that I want you to do after you read chapter 8 in El Deafo is page 9. It doesn't have it at the bottom, but it's after the last one that we just filled out. This is page 8. So go ahead and find page 9. It's assignment 3 for El Deafo. And here is what I want you guys to do. I'll read the directions for you. It says, near the beginning of chapter 6 are 4 fishing scenes under this caption. What I don't get that summer is a new friend. Here's what summer with Laura feels like. Remember, she was baited by Laura. Look at those scenes and explain in your own words what is happening. So let me see if I can find it. Chapter 6, right here. Starts on page 60. And this is what it feels like. So in your own words, tell me what this means. Remember, we talked about it in class, that she's baited, and then how does she feel about it? That's in the first part. And in the next part is we are understanding metaphors. So an author sometimes makes comparisons by using metaphors. A metaphor compares two things by saying that one thing is another thing. For example, in the expression, this room is an oven, the word oven was used to tell us that the room is extremely hot. It did not mean that the room is actually an oven. Oven is a symbol for heat, since it is commonly understood that ovens are hot. Right, so metaphors help you understand things, but they are not literal. In El Deafo, the author used pictures instead of words to create a metaphor. In the fishing scene on page 60, if you want to go back and look, that's on page 60, that you described above, the author doesn't want us to believe that the girls actually went fishing. Instead, she created a metaphor that would help us understand how Cece was feeling about their relationship, their friendship. What do you think the fish is a symbol for? And what do you think fishing is a symbol for? So this is who Cece is. Remember, she's the fish. And Laura is the one that is fishing. Why would the author use these as symbols? What is she trying to convey? Tell me in these answers. All right? That is your El Deafo assignment for today. Go get them.